turn to be red like this. Then it's ready. So here we do harvest coffee start from June.
From June?
Yeah, June until December. We did that bin and then we will put around the coffee tree.
Ah, okay.
So later we just looking under the coffee tree to find the poo. Yeah, from the animal to tea. And we take it the fruit when the color turn yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, so
okay.
the yellow one is ready to pick.
How long does it take to get yellow?
So from this fruit about 1 month later will be ripe.
Okay.
And after that we wash, we dry, and the color of the coffee
From cacao.
will become like this.
From cacao?
Coffee after we wash. And then you
awesome.
compare with the normal
So from this bin we need to roast.
normal coffee
So the
and then
color
yellow.
change out blue out. But still dirty.
There's the cinnamon.
And after we clean it,
white
become
pepper,
like this color.
And then black pepper as well.
Ah, okay.
It's clean and dry already.
Okay, it's filming.
But wasn't it, why couldn't you do something?
I really don't know. Hello, take it. Yeah. Thank you. What the hell?
Is it working?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Teddy Mackasey.
Thank you.
Thank
Terima
you.
kasih.
This guy. Legend. Oh my gosh. What the hell? What? That was so strange.
I don't know how to stop that.
This button. Do not know what just happened. Yeah, so I do not know what just happened. I went to go fly my drone, I set 2 waypoints, completely clear of any trees, and clicked apply, and it decided to fly diagonally back to me. Nearly flew into that tree right there, managed to dodge it, but then I couldn't do anything and it flew into this tree up here. I'm so confused right now, and what's made it worse is that I've just stepped in chicken. So yesterday in Ubud was awesome. We travelled up north and did the temple, the coffee plantation, Bali Swing and the rice fields. But I had some serious problems with my drone and I do not know what was going on. I first flew at the coffee plantation because I thought it was disrespectful to fly at the temple. And yeah, so I set a waypoint. The way that's done is you set 1 point, fly it out to the second point and set that as another point. Once that other point is set, you click apply on all the options and then it flies back to the start, and that's when you can start filming again. So I clicked apply and it started flying diagonally across the coffee plantation. First I thought it was going to crash into a palm tree, managed to dodge that somehow, but it carried on flying and flew into a tree again. Thank God it was fine, it wasn't broken like it was when it flew into a building in Melbourne, but that was the first sign of something seriously going wrong. Some awesome guy that was working at the coffee plantation climbed the tree and got it out for me, and you would have seen footage of that. We have an ant infestation, and what are they? Look at these. Look at all of them. We then went on to the Bali Swing, yeah, and I wanted to fly it there. Obviously, well, this thing's like, I don't know, 25 meters above the canopy of the rainforest, and it would have been amazing, you know, completely clear where all the swings were, so there was no question whether it was flyable or not. It absolutely was. I flew it there, and again, taking off, I stopped flying it upwards, and it carried on flying and flying and flying and flew into the trees. Fine, carried on flying it, flew it out a bit, and then that's when it started going crazy. It started flying about everywhere, and I really honestly myself, because I just thought I don't want to spend a ton of money again just to fix something that I haven't personally caused it to do. And then we went to the rice fields, and I wasn't in the mood to fly it. It had bits of pollen all over the sensors and everything, so I've just cleaned that up now. It's good to fly again. One propeller's got a chip in it, but yeah, I really do not know what was going wrong with my drone. I'm going to try at some point to get to the rice fields to get a bit of drone footage. I just wasn't in the mood even to take photos with this thing or film it, so yeah, I'm going to try and go there again today. But on positive news, today we're going to the monkey forest. I'm going to get some shots with my GoPro because I'm not carrying this around, because they are known to nick your stuff out of your hands, phones and everything. Yeah, I'm going to try and attach the GoPro to me somewhere, get some cool shots. But yeah, that's what was going wrong with my drone.
see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.